Are you tired of constantly chasing her, only to feel like she's always a step ahead, never reaching out first, never showing initiative? It's frustrating, isn't it? You put in effort, but it seems like your signals aren't being received the way you want. You wonder if she's just not interested or if she's waiting for you to make the first move. Here's the truth. If she never texts or calls you first, it's a clear signal, a sign that her attraction isn't as high as it could be, and that she's not feeling enough desire to pursue you. But don't worry, this isn't a bad thing, because today I'm going to reveal 6 powerful strategies that can flip the script, ignite her desire, and make her chase you instead. Women's psychology is complex, but once you understand what drives their attraction, you can leverage those insights to your advantage. Ready to unlock her desire and get her chasing you? Let's get started. 1. Stop over-initiating and play it cool. The very first thing you need to do is stop chasing her relentlessly. If she's not the one reaching out, don't be the one doing all the work. Women are naturally attracted to men who don't chase, men who carry themselves with confidence, independence, and emotional stability. When you constantly initiate contact, it sends a subtle but powerful message. I'm eager, desperate for your attention, and I need you to like me. That's a turnoff. It diminishes your perceived value. Instead, pull back, respond briefly, keep your tone relaxed, and then wait. Let her wonder if you're busy, if you're interested, or if you're even thinking about her. This creates a feeling of mystery. Women are wired to pursue what's just out of reach. When they see you're not always available, their brain begins to question, why isn't he chasing? Does he not care enough? This doubt sparks her curiosity and desire. It makes her want to win your attention because women are naturally drawn to men who seem hard to get. By not chasing her, you're signaling that you're confident enough to hold back, which is incredibly attractive. So, instead of overloading her with messages, give her space. Make her wonder about your interest. Over time, this will turn her attraction into desire, and she'll start to chase you rather than the other way around. 2. Focus on building your life and passions. Become irresistible. Women are attracted to men who live fulfilling, independent lives. When she sees you actively pursuing your passions, whether that's your career, your hobbies, fitness, or personal growth, she perceives you as valuable and confident. Why is this so effective? Because women want a man who doesn't depend on her for happiness. They want someone who has a rich life, who is desired by others, and who exudes self-sufficiency. Imagine this. You dedicate time to your hobbies, post about your achievements, and invest in your personal development. You appear busy, successful, and full of life. When she sees this, she perceives you as rare, someone who has options, someone who doesn't need her validation. This creates a scarcity effect. The more you focus on your own growth, the more desirable you become. Women are instinctively attracted to men who seem wanted and admired by others. When your life is full and exciting, she naturally wants to be part of it. Remember, men who are not waiting around and instead are out there living their best lives become more attractive. Be the man who doesn't need her, and her desire to be with you will grow exponentially. 3. Master the art of subtle texting and let her miss you. If your pattern has been to send long, eager, frequent texts, then it's time to shift gears. Instead of trying to impress her with constant communication, adopt a more playful and mysterious tone. Send short, fun messages, maybe a funny meme, a teasing comment, or a quick question, and then wait. Women are wired to pursue what's just out of reach. When your messages are unpredictable and you don't respond immediately, her curiosity spikes. She begins to wonder, why isn't he replying right away? What's he doing? Women love a challenge. When they sense that your attention is limited or hard to get, Their desire increases because they perceive you as confident and not needy. For example, instead of the usual "good morning," you might send a playful emoji or a witty remark, then give her some space. When you do reply, keep your tone confident, fun, and engaging. This creates emotional tension. She's eager to keep your attention, and her brain perceives you as more valuable when she has to work a little for your affection. This approach makes her want to chase you because she perceives you as rare and in demand. When you're not constantly available, she begins to value your attention even more. 4. Use silence and mystery to ignite curiosity. Sometimes the most powerful move is to do nothing for a while. When she doesn't hear from you, her mind begins to fill in the gaps. Women are naturally attracted to men who carry a sense of mystery. Silence creates anticipation. It makes her wonder about your feelings, your intentions, and your life. When you delay your responses or go silent, she starts imagining scenarios. Is he playing hard to get? Does he not care? And that uncertainty fuels her desire. When you do reply, do so with confidence, a playful tone, and brevity. Make her wait a little longer before responding again, and she'll start pursuing to reclaim your attention. Women are wired to chase men who seem elusive or hard to get. When you master the art of silence and mystery, you turn yourself into a desirable challenge. 5. Be selectively unavailable. The power of no. Availability is the enemy of attraction. If you're always available, she perceives you as easy. But if you're strategically unavailable, her perception of your value increases dramatically. When she texts or calls, respond when it's convenient. Don't drop everything to reply immediately. Show her that your time is limited and valuable. This creates a dynamic of scarcity. She begins to value your attention more because she perceives you as in demand and hard to pin down. For example, when she reaches out, you might reply with something playful like, "Hey, I'm busy right now. I'll get back to you later." This little game of delayed response makes her wonder and chase for your attention. Women are naturally attracted to men who don't chase relentlessly, but instead maintain their own rhythm. When she perceives that she has to work for your attention, her desire grows stronger. 6. Make her chase you emotionally and physically. The most effective move of all is to stop always chasing her. Instead, create emotional and physical distance and let her do the chasing. Be unpredictable, sometimes playful, sometimes distant, sometimes engaged. Keep her guessing about your feelings and your availability. When she senses that she has to work for your attention, her desire spikes. When you meet her, make it memorable. Be confident, fun, and relaxed. Show her that you're a prize worth pursuing. Women naturally chase men who exude confidence, emotional independence, and self-assurance. This dynamic triggers her instinct to pursue because women are wired to chase men who don't make it easy. When they perceive that they must earn your attention, their desire intensifies. All of these strategies are rooted in women's psychology. Women's desire is heavily influenced by scarcity, challenge, and emotional tension. When you step back intentionally, you activate her desire triggers, making her more eager to pursue. It's about building tension, creating mystery, and being confident enough to hold back. When she perceives you as hard to get, her brain assigns more value to you. Women are naturally drawn to men who seem in control, emotionally independent, and not needy. When you master these principles, you flip the dynamic and become the man she's dying to chase. In conclusion, if she never texts or calls first, see it as your cue to step back, play it cool, and become the man she's eager to pursue. Confidence, independence, mystery, and strategic emotional distance are your most powerful tools. Use them consistently and watch her start chasing you with enthusiasm. Because at the end of the day, women tend to pursue men who seem to have it all together. Men who don't chase relentlessly but exude calm, confidence, and independence. Are you ready to change the game? To become the man she can't resist chasing? Start applying these 6 strategies today and watch her chase you like never before.